We have fuses.
Oh wow.
Explosives tin.
Yeah.
Don't know what this is.
Part of something.
There's a cool old ladder there. There's only one rung in it.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's seen better days, isn't it?
And it's a shame there's a collapse there.
Yeah.
And a huge pile of old rotten timbers.
Have we seen the ladder over here?
Yeah, the ladder over here.
Come and have a look at this.
That is a hell of a ladder.
Check this one out. And you can see the old valve for the compressed air main running down there as well. So we're going to send the ROV down this next compartment here. And
Okay, we're rolling.
hopefully find wonders.
Wow, look at it. So the manway compartment is on the right, behind those boards.
Right, this is not working. Cable's getting caught in there.
If Lois goes round...
on that side.
Yeah. I'll hold it. There we go.
Okay. Here we go, folks.
Straight down.
When we were abseiling here once, our friend lost his head torch on the way up. Hopefully we'll find it.
Shame we don't have a grab hook on it to collect it for him.
Yeah, this version doesn't have it.
Someone's torches. That's it, that's better.
So down we go.
Wow, look at it. Compressed air main on the
I
left,
can see them.
manway behind the boarding on the right. So the next level was about 70 foot down. So
Right.
whatever that is in meters, that's going to be roughly where the next level is.
See the compressed air pipes?
Yeah, and there's a manway.
There's the ladder. What are those things there?
Are those pipes or are they ropes? Chains?
Don't
I'm
know.
not sure what those are.
See the ladder in the distance?
Yeah. Wow.
But a mishmash of pipes and timbers.
Yeah, lots of...
Oh, look,
Oh, whoa.
There's a platform.
Oh, I've got a loading platform with a fence around it. That's a fence or a railing. Oh my god.
That's amazing.
So that's the next level then. Look at that. And there's gates. Those are hinges for a gate.
Yes.
So they'd open the gates to load the wagons, to load the
There's
skips.
the hinge there. Look,
Oh my god. Whoa. And there's a level. Oh, oh my god. Look. Oh my god.
Look at that.
There's a train of wagons parked there.
I think Johan's excited.
For God's sake, man. Oh,
Let's
look at that.
lower it down
Oh,
slightly.
can't believe it. There's 2 wagons parked there.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That is amazing. Look at that. You know what's happening?
Can you get a bit closer to them?
The remote control's going flat.
Can you get closer to the wagons?
I'll try. Really tricky here.
Whoa.
Really tricky.
Whoa.
Can't go down that way through there. There's too many obstacles that way. That's the way we came.
So can we go through the tracks?
It's quite narrow. This ROV is quite big. No, can't chance it there. We'll have to go down the other way
Yeah.
to get to that. So let's.
Carry on down.
That was amazing.
Oh, I want to see those wagons. Gee.
Look at it.
Oh, what's that on the floor?
It's like a gate.
Stop. What's on the floor? What's that?
It's a
skip.
It's a skip.
Oh, it's a skip.
Well, let's go past it and then turn round.
Oh my god.
So this is as far as we can go by the looks of it.
It carries on.
Yeah, it carries on, but I don't want to chance it with the remote going low.
Oh, the skip is still there. Oh, whoa. That's the skip. Jeez, look at that. The skip is just sat there.
Look at it, full of debris.
Oh. Jeez.
There's our lights in the distance. That's amazing.
Blimey.
We're gonna have to come back.
Yeah.
Let's have another look at them wagons.
I would really want to try getting closer to the wagons.
Yeah.
To go through where the gate was, right there.
That's it.
Okay, stop. That's it. A little bit higher. And let's get a good view of them. Just park there for a minute. There, just stop there for a minute. Wow. Look at those.
There's a level down there.
Can we go down?
Look at that.
Wow.
We've got to go along that level. Odd that we didn't get there down the other hole last time.
I think stop when you're going forward.
It might be me on the... No, you've got slot on your tether.
So off we go.
Wow. Down the level.
And there's the level.
Whoa.
So, my remote is bleeping now. I can't chance it.
How much time? Yeah.
I don't know.
Look at the back of the wagons. Wow. Oh my god.
Look at that.
Shh.
That is stunning.
Oh my god.
Can you pull it?
Yeah.
Stop, stop, stop.
I can see it.
You've gone round something. Hold on, Al.
No, it's good.
It's going down.
Huh?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's gone round a...
No, it's coming. I can see it.
Is it?
Yeah. It's looking at us.
Oh, nice one.
That is something else.
Oh, wow.
There's the
So
pipe.
annoying that that thing's running flat.
Yeah. Just having another look around here.
Yeah.
Well, we can.
How much time have you got left on the
I
thing?
think it'd be too risky to go down the level because if it goes flat down the level.
How about we just go straight down, because we can pull it back up then, can't we?
It was dead end, isn't it?
No, it carried on.
It
There was a board, and then you go over the board and it carried on. If you go back down there, as long as it's straight down and we don't go sideways. That's it, go straight down to the bottom again.
Yeah, if it goes flat, I won't get it beyond them boards.
All right. So there's the level. So if you go down again,
There's the skip.
so there's the skip and the boards. Can we go down to the boards and see what happens? Because the tracks carry on.
If it goes flat beyond them boards,
Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah,
pull
yeah.
it over.
We can just look.
We'll have a look.
Yeah, see what's going on.
It does continue.
It does continue.
Yeah.
Are there tracks there? Can you look down?
Yeah.
Are there but the rails don't carry on though.
It's the shaft, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is the end. Oh, you
So that's the bottom.
Knew that would happen. That's the bottom.
Wow. So the shaft carries on, but the skipway doesn't.
No. Well, that was amazing. Where are you?
recovering.
Oh, that was awesome.
Those wagons were just something else. I can't believe it. Absolutely.
Could tell by your voice.
A complete underground loading stage with gates and wagons and everything in situ. That was the bee's knees.
Lois's first time abseiling
Yep.
and going back up at 120 feet.
Yeah.
It was awesome. Thanks for watching and all the best to you.
Ciao for now.